Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Today's video is going to be about the Haitian patty, my favorite actually. For this recipe you're going to need some puff pastry, some onions and peppers, half a pound of ground beef, some lemon juice, tomato paste, parsley, and also some homemade APs, slap your mama, and also some Tony's spice, fresh ground black pepper, and also some hot sauce. Once again, this is my version of it. You can do whatever you want. You can add chicken if you want. So to begin, we're gonna start by seasoning our meat, the ground beef. So I like to season it before I put it on the stove. Some people do it different. Either way, it's fine. Just add a couple pinch of the slappy mama. It's very salty, so take it easy on that. And also the Tony's Creole seasoning, that one also salty, so I kind of like eyeball it and added like a pinch of this, pinch of that. Some fresh ground black pepper, which I love, and also some of this hot sauce. I found it at Marshall's actually. They have some good seasoning there, so I found that at Marshall's. You're gonna mix it all together. Kind of got tired with the spoon, it won't work it for me, so I use my hands. Yeah, kind of like work it, bind it until everything is coated together like so, and you're gonna put it aside, and then we'll take it from there. Up next, you're gonna put your pot in the stove, or your pan, whatever you want to call it. Just add a little, bit of oil, not too much, because the meat is gonna actually, give out some grease. Add your tomato paste. You don't have to if you don't want to. Some people like it without it or with it, whichever way you go, that's fine also. I like it, so I add a little bit of that. Just kind of work it, and you add your vegetables, your holy trinity, your bell peppers, and your onions. You just want to like slightly saute that, don't overcook it, because of course you're gonna add it in the meat, and it's gonna cook in the patty as well, so you don't want to overcook it. And followed by your ground beef. I wish you guys can smell it. It smells really good. Please do try it and let me know in the comment section. Just want to work it a little bit until everything is coated, and add your lime juice, a little flavor, and it should look something like this, nice and juicy. And then once that's done, you just add your parsley. Oh, it looks really good. I wish you guys can smell it. And I did put it in a bowl. And I'm using puff pastry because I guess I'm lazy, but whatever. But you can also make, the dough from scratch. But since this is, in my disposal, the freezer section at Walmart, so I chose it. And it's pretty easy. It's good. It's very tasty and flaky. So yeah. I did add some flour to the dough, which I didn't show you guys. Just kind of like, I didn't want it to stick to the board. I cut it like that, like in 6, and now you're just gonna scoop a little bit of the meat and then fold it, and kind of like work your fingers to seal everything so it doesn't come out, and then followed by the fork method. Of course, you guys know that. And then you just, oh yes, just like that. It's pretty easy. It's very simple, easy. And then to finish it off, you're gonna get your eggs, just one egg, you add a little bit of water, and you beat it and kind of like airbrush the patties, so you'll be nice and golden at top. That's when you get that shine. Yes, just like that. You don't want to put it after you put it in the oven, because it's gonna look very crusty like scrambled eggs, but you want to do it before you shove it in the oven. You want to coat your pan with butter so it doesn't stick to it as well. Don't forget to do that. And it should look something like this. Easy, right? We did it, guys. I love you all for watching. I hope you loved this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next video. Love you all. Bye.